Multiple protests over multiple nights. Seattle police estimate that Saturday's protest alone totaled around 10,000 people. Most of the protesters know what they're up against. They are wearing masks.
We want to make real change and real impact, so that's why we're here.
They are confronting injustice under the threat of a virus.
And as someone in the military, as a trans person, as a black person, and as a cancer patient in this corona, I want peace, and I will be out here risking my life just like everybody else until there is peace. I don't get the privilege to stay at home. Geroge Floyd didn't get the privilege to stay at home.
Today, the Seattle-King County Public Health Department posted this on its blog: understanding, tips, and the potential reality that may confront those who gathered. Masks are good. Masks with 6 feet of social distancing would have been a lot better. We understand the difficult choices that people were faced with this past weekend. Many in our community grappled with attending protests to stand up against these injustices while also wanting to keep our community safe from further spread of COVID-19. It added, people who have been at group gatherings should monitor their health for 14 days afterwards. Anyone who develops symptoms of COVID-19 should be tested right away, whether they've been at a protest or not.
You're saying basically the only public health question here is not just who catches COVID-19.
That's right. I think demonstrations against racism are in service of public health.
Dr. Olivia Cates works in infectious disease and is also a bioethicist with the University of Washington.
I also suggest protesting in a stable group of close contacts rather than intermingling with a large number of different people.
While most of the protests have been in Seattle and King County, Pierce and Snohomish County are also driving to open up their economies to the next level. COVID spreads when people gather together with people, says the Tacoma-Pierce County Public Health Department, as Pierce and Snohomish counties push to move to Phase 2. King County Executive Dow Constantine says their application to move to a modified Phase 1 will go ahead, but we will continue to closely monitor disease trends in the coming weeks to determine whether we can continue to move forward safely with reopening. And moving forward seems to be on everyone's mind. In Seattle, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.